Are you tired and exhausted of spending excessive amounts for skincare products? Do you want to learn how to get clear skin on a budget? Look not further. We have a few tips for you. Drink an excessive amount of water first before anything else. The secret to maintaining healthy, clean skin is staying hydrated. Hydration helps in the removal of impurities from the body, which might reduce the impact of acne and other skin issues. At least 8 glasses of water should be consumed each day, and you should drink more if you're exercising or spending time in the sun. Next, maintain a healthy diet. The vitamins and minerals found in fruits and vegetables are excellent for your skin. Vitamin A can help control oil production, while vitamin C can reduce inflammation and encourage the production of collagen. Berry, green vegetables, sweet potatoes, and fatty fish are some meals that are especially beneficial for your skin. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for good skin because it gives your body the opportunity it requires to heal itself. Stress levels rise when you are sleep deprived, which may cause redness and pimples. Make an effort to develop a regular sleep routine and aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Exercise regularly. Your skin looks more attractive and glowing if you exercise because it increases blood flow. It also helps reduce stress, which can be a major contributor to acne and other skin problems. Make an effort to exercise for at least 30 minutes most days of the week. Wash your face regularly. Avoid strong scrubs that might irritate your skin and use a gentle cleanser instead. Look for a cleanser with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide if you have oily skin. Look for a cleanser with glycerin or hyaluronic acid if you have dry skin. Also, remember to moisturize. Moisturizing keeps your skin moisturized and helps to make wrinkles and fine lines invisible. Use natural remedies. Cucumber, honey, and lemon juice are excellent for cleaning and maintaining the health of your skin. While lemon juice contains alpha-hydroxy acids that might help remove dead skin cells, honey has antibiotic aspects that could help reduce pimples. Another amazing benefit of cucumber is that it helps to reduce eye puffiness. Make sure you take some time to rest and decompress because stress might lead to breakouts. Meditation, yoga, deep breathing techniques, or even just going for a walk outside are beneficial ways to lower stress. These easy tips will help you get clean skin without exceeding your budget. Remember, you might have skin that is glowing and healthy. Start now to shine with confidence tomorrow.